Online learning has become a significant part of our educational landscape, especially in recent times. While it offers flexibility and convenience, staying motivated can be a challenge. Here are some tips to help you stay motivated during online learning. 1. Set clear goals. Know what you want to achieve at the end of the course. 2. Create a dedicated study space. This helps in minimizing distractions. 3. Stick to a routine. Having a set schedule can make a huge difference. 4. Engage in discussions. Participate actively in online forums and group chats. 5. Take regular breaks. It's essential to give your brain some rest. 6. Reward yourself. Celebrate small achievements to keep the momentum going. 7. Stay connected. Interact with peers and instructors regularly. Remember, motivation is a journey, not a destination. With the right strategies, you can make the most of your online learning experience.